if you run an online business in Nigeria, you need to be collecting 7.5% VAT on every sale on your website. Now, the government has made it mandatory that every individual is paying tax, whether you run a business or you don't run a business. But this is especially for business owners, those who have like an online store where they're selling products and services. Now, what I'm going to show you is how you can make sure that you collect your tax automatically when your clients are making purchases of your product and services. Now, if you don't know this, the downside is you have to calculate this manually. Then secondly, you have to make this payment for your customers. Basically, if someone bought a product from you and then you didn't get them to pay the tax, it means you need to deduct 7.5% of any amount they paid you to pay the government. And I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, if you use WooCommerce, this is a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily implement a taxation system on your website so that you charge 7.5% upfront. Now, when you head over to your WordPress account, you log in here, you come over to where we have WooCommerce. So you come on WooCommerce, you click on settings, right? Now, when the settings opens up, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this, right? Now, you come down, you scroll here. Most people will not have this toggled on already. So what you need to do is here where you have enable tax rate and calculations. If you have this off, you toggle it on, okay? And then you click on save changes. So the moment you do that, there's going to be a provision of a tab where you can easily do that. So come right here where you see tax, click on tax, okay? And then the next thing you see is tax options, standard rates, reduced rates, and then you just head over to standard rate. So standard rate is where you're going to implement this. It's very easy, right? So here you have your standard rate. So what you want to do here is to click on insert row. Okay, here you have country code, state code, postcode, city, rate, and what have you. But for you, you want to implement this globally on your website, right? But if you want to target only Nigerians, you can come here and enter the country code for Nigeria, right? If you want to target people in a particular state, you can do all of those things here. But what you want to focus on is here where you see rates. Come here, type in 7.5%. And then here where you see tax name, you add VAT. VAT value added tax, right? Now, priority, leave as one. Compound, you can toggle this on or you leave it. Shipping, if you want to charge your customers, their VAT based on their shipping, you can come right here and toggle this on, or you can just toggle it off if you're not shipping any product. Now you click on save changes. So the moment you do this, you would be able to go to your website, and then when people are checking out, they can, pay their tax. Right now, let's check this on my website and see what we have here. But before we do that, let me just log out here so that we can see these in real time. Okay. All right. So now when you come here, you can see this particular online course that I have here on building a website. So this particular course currently costs around 50,000 naira. So you hit on get access. Okay. When you do that, it brings you to the checkout page. So this checkout page is where the clients get to enter their details and all of that. Now, when you come here, you can see we have VAT, which is around 3,000 naira. Okay. Now imagine I didn't include this VAT. It means that if I have to pay the government, I have to deduct it from my earnings and pay the government, and you don't want to do that. Now, the next thing you can do is you can come right here and add a note to make your customers understand why they are being charged VAT. Okay, you can just add like a little note here to make it easier for them to understand why they are paying for what they are paying for. Now, if you have a business and you are looking to, build an online platform for yourself, maybe you want to build a website, an online store where you can sell your product and services, this is where Team Explore comes in. So on Team Explore, we have templates that would help you build your online store without overthinking the process. So here's a simple website that was built with, the templates we have at Team Explore. This is a simple WooCommerce website that sells clothes, they sell bags, and they sell shoes. This whole thing you see here was designed without coding, and it was done with the template from Team Explore. Right. So now hit the link in the description if you want to grab a template, and then you can use it to build your whole website. Now, what do you think about the whole taxation? Do you think this is something that is really serious? Are you going to pay your tax? Of course, you should pay your tax. All right. Now, I want you to hit the like button. If you like this, drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And if you have a website and you're having any issues implementing what I just showed you, I don't think you should have an issue anyway. But then drop a comment in the section. I'm going to do what? Get back to you. I'll see you on the next one.